Hi, hello everybody, and welcome back. Random Reaction Week, except this time it's a Random Reaction Week, and damn it. Okay, this is a Random Reaction Week and Airplanes series. You know how, god damn it, you know how I like to do like the Slender series? Well, yeah, this time we're doing an Airplane series. So it's Airplane series and Random Reaction Week. I have 0 hours of flight. I'm a trainee because I haven't played this before. And it's just, wow. I like the graphics. Like, look at the graphics. Okay, whatever. Career. Ooh, fly with the co-pilot experiment. Okay, so you might not see the camera for some time. Ooh, we're landing at Palermo. Ooh. I could go to these places in the tour. I mean, what? It's just no tour. Okay, anyway, you might see the camera go out of frame sometimes because I gotta, like, turn it, you know? You might see my ugly bed. I haven't even made, you don't need to know. Okay, I'm guessing I can finally play now. Right, cadet. Today you will face your first real landing, but don't worry. I'll help you with some explanations. Oh, I can't control it? Okay. The altitude above the ground speed shown here. Use fuel not to end up on the ground. Check the arrow above to increase or decrease. Apparently I have to increase. Speed and knots shown by this indicator. Check the arrow above to see whether... Okay, I should slow down. I should really slow down. As you know, today we're going to land in Palermo. Go towards the airport. You must match the purple symbol. Little triangle. I think I'm going a little too fast. A lot too fast, actually, now that I think about it. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna slow down, like, a lot. Okay. This is like Infinite Flight all over again. Turn it off. Like, Jesus Christ. Like, turn the official engine off. Lower the gear. What? Come on, 290. Come on, slow down. Jesus Christ. Infinite Flight. We're back. This time I'll take care of the flaps. Okay. Green rectangles on the runway. Come on, you can do it. 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 I gotta look this place up. I think this is in Italy. Well, I know it's in Europe, but I think it's in Italy. Okay, so I got a flare. Like a real pilot should. Oh. I'm gonna go at 60. And then I'm gonna slow down. I haven't read a single thing that the guy has said so far. I mean, I have. Congratulations on your first landing. Thank you! We will start from here tomorrow. Okay, this is one episode of Random Reaction Week. But then the next episode of this will be officially Airplanes Part 2. Did I do it? Yay! Yeah, it is in Italy. Okay. Next, I guess. Okay. First takeoff. Okay. I think I got it. No ads were clear. Hopefully it won't take 10 years to load again. Which I think it will. Oh! Looking back on board, cadet. Let's go by taking takeoff procedure. Identify the engine panel. Ooh. Explain the engine of this aircraft. Activate the main switch. Perfect. Start it. How do I start it? Hold the ignition switch. Alright, down. Flat engine. It is! Bring the nose slightly up. Alright, 170. 30. 40. 50. 160. 170. Slightly. Oh,